These days, achieving financial freedom is kind of sannyas. Get a home with jungle, and if you don't have money, you can't do it. Even peace requires money. I'm poor, but I'm very spiritual. This is very hard to believe these days. I will only give the practical advice. It will not be too much tricky if you are struggle कर रहे होंगे, but still you are pretending to be spiritual. तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हमें नहीं पता है, वो बनने की कोशिश ना करें. Guys, do you feel financial freedom is necessary for your spiritual path? Comment me the answer. Comment. Yes, it is. लेकिन कैसे, आज हम इसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. How it helps you to go to your spiritual path. You know, in the ancient time, going to a jungle is called sannyas. Or after grahasthya, banaprastha, automatically people take sannyas going to jungle, right? These days, achieving financial freedom is kind of sannyas. Now you will ask me how it is possible. I will let you know. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, if you are new, then please subscribe to it and give a thumbs up if you like the video, and also comment down your issues. If you are facing any issues, I would love to answer if I see any comment, so based on the topic what I have uploaded. Okay, and so yeah, that's it. Let's get started. You know, achieving financial freedom, it will give you a sense of freedom, sense of independence, sense of mukti. Okay, and it will help you to get a home with jungle. इसका मतलब पहले ज़माने में लोग जंगल जाया करते थे, आजकल वो जंगल अपने घर के अंदर भी आप बना सकते हैं. Just for your peace of mind, for a calmness, you can decorate your home, you can do everything what it takes you to be peaceful. And if you don't have money, you can't do it. These days, even peace requires money. Calmness requires money. Everything requires money. Don't get me wrong. If you don't have enough money and you will tell me like, you know, I'm poor but I'm very spiritual. This is very hard to believe these days. Because it is possible. आप पुअर होकर भी स्पिरिचुअल हो सकते, इट इज पॉसिबल, बट ये जनरेशन चेंज हो चुका है. आपके अंदर से बार बार ये आवाज आ रही होगी, अरे यार मेरे पास भी ये होता. सोशल मीडिया इतना पॉपुलर हो चुका है, लोग माने ना माने उनके अंदर ये इच्छाएं जागृत होती है कि यार मेरे पास भी इतना पैसा तो मैं ये कर लेता. बिकॉज स्पिरिचुअलिटी कैन नॉट अचीव इन ए इम्बैलेंस माइंड. You know, spirituality cannot achieve while you are depressed, while you have got the anxiety inside you, while you have the crave for money and you didn't achieve, you didn't fulfill your goal yet, then you can't go to spirituality. It requires a calm mind, it requires a sense of fulfillment, sense of satisfaction with the material world. आप अगर satisfied नहीं हो ना आपकी material world में, आपके पास जितना है जैसा है, then you can't go for a ध्यान, you can't go and meditate. It is impossible. So if you don't have satisfaction with the money, we will never be calm. We will always restless, and a restless mind can't achieve spirituality. And I still didn't achieve it yet. Then you will ask me, then how you are following the spiritual path? Because now I am more fulfilling than my 20s. I am currently in my 30s. So I feel me and my husband doing good financially, and it gives me a sense of calmness, sense of independence to look to my spiritual goal. Even I am a beginner, I have just started. And as I promised you, I will only give the practical advice, and don't get biased by listening certain people who tells you money is the hurdle in spiritual path. Money never be a hurdle, never be a hurdle. The Satya Yuga got changed. It's now Kali Yuga. Okay. So the requirement is different. People are different. Mindset is different. So it requires a lot of fulfillment to go to that path. Now save the money, do the investments, whatever you are earning, okay, and earn a lot hell of money, okay, and fulfill all your wishes, okay, rather than craving it every day. Go and hustle it. And after that, when you feel you are in a certain level that you can fulfill all your wishes, okay, now the test comes. अब बोलेंगे अभी कौन सा एग्जाम होगा, तो अभी आएगा एग्जाम कि यू हैव टू आस्क योर सेल्फ, स्टिल आई नीड मोर मनी, still I am making more wishes automatically, I am creating more wishes, or I am satisfied now with the money I am making. ये क्वेश्चन पूछना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि ये आपको हेल्प करेगा कि जो आपने अचीव किया है उसमें सेटिस्फाई होना कितना जरूरी है. दैट इज द ट्रिकी पार्ट. But it will not be too much tricky if you are really aware of things. आपको पता है कि चीज़ें क्या है. You are not going to be Ambani. I am not like demotivating you. You can be, but if you are not, still you are happy or not? Still you are able to fulfill all your wishes or not? Still you give your family the things they want or not yet? So you have to ask this question to yourself. You have to ask yourself how much money is too much money. Then only you can move forward to the direction of spirituality. And one point of your life you have to really get satisfied with your money, whatever you are making. You have to reach that point slowly, steadily, okay, but not with जोश, with होश. तो मैं हमेशा जैसे बोलती हूँ कि एक बैलेंस रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. योर फाइनेंशियल एंड योर स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ बोथ शुड बी बैलेंस. अगर आप अभी स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ में टाइम नहीं दे पा रहे, इट्स ओके, क्योंकि आप शायद अभी स्ट्रगल कर रहे होंगे, बट स्टिल यू आर प्रिटेंडिंग टू बी स्पिरिचुअल. आपका अंदर ये होगा, आपको समझ नहीं आ रही होगी. तो जो भी आपके कमी है, जो भी आपको चाहिए, पहले जाए वो विश को फुलफिल करें, देन कम टू द स्पिरिचुअलिटी. तो होप गाइज आज आपको ये चीज़ें बहुत समझ आया हुआ होगा, क्योंकि बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं, स्पिरिचुअल को इस तरह से देखना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं कि हम भीख मांगेंगे, हम ये करेंगे. दैट्स ए डिफरेंट स्टोरी. वो सत्य युग था, बिना भीख मांगे भी लोग उनको मुनि ऋषि को भीख दे देते थे. आजकल जाओगे तो इधर पूरी तरीके से भिखारी बनना पड़ेगा. आप स्पिरिचुअलिटी में नहीं जा सकते. नहीं तो अगर जा रहे हो तो वहाँ पे कोई आपको पूछेगा ही नहीं. आजकल आपको पता ही नहीं कि वहाँ जो जंगल है वहाँ पर रहना कैसा है. ठीक है, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हमें नहीं पता है, वो बनने की कोशिश ना करें. ठीक है, जो है हमारे पास उसको बैलेंस करने की कोशिश करें, एंड गॉड विल टेक केयर ऑल ऑफ इट. डोंट वरी. सो गाइज आपको अच्छा लगा तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. लोगों की भी डाउट क्लियर करें आप आपके साथ साथ. तो आई विश ऑल द बेस्ट टू अचीव द मटेरियल फ्रीडम एज वेल एज द स्पिरिचुअल.